All right, welcome back to another edition of Working on My Walkway. This might look a little different. I talked to the boss man and she agreed it didn't look quite right the other way we had it, so we decided we're just going to continue the pattern all the way out. We're going to continue the pattern, but here we are going to switch and go lengthwise out towards the driveway from here. So there will be a clear distinction there um, between the two patterns. But yeah, all right. Okay, first thing first. Um, I guess just level that out. Bring some more pavers. Oh, also, I think I'm gonna go this way because I think I'd rather, if I had need to make any cuts, make them here and then go rather than cuts there. Yeah. Linda Kim, help me. Looks pretty good. Just gonna need to make final cuts there. And then have all the half cuts everywhere going up. And then the patio. And then the step. Alright, welcome to the saga of my walkway and patio. I think the last time, so we left off on the walkway exit. It's pretty much done. I just need to buy a saw so I can cut the pieces and place them in place because all the full pieces are in place. Um, but I only want to rent that machine for one day to save a little bit of money instead of having to rent it twice or keep it until I finish the entire patio, which would, frankly, I'm not sure when that would be because I'm working on it when I have time. But I think today I am going to start working on the patio this way, going that way. Nice. Okay. I don't like it. I think I started off with my second one and it threw the level off for the rest of the 3 that I put down. So I'm gonna pick them up and try again. Alright, as you can see, I'm not finished. And if I'm being honest, I had a lot going on. I had the wedding, I had a project at work start. So have I had free days? Yes. Have I had free days consecutively where I can work on this project? No. And now I'm going on my honeymoon to Singapore. So there goes another week. I come back. You are getting completed. I'm almost done. I just need a few cuts, and then fill in this, and I'll be done. But putting that aside for now, a quick little update on that. But today, Linda and I go to Singapore.